Ooh, long day. Down here bush hogging and bush hogging. Got 10 food plots done and 90% of the trails on the big property, and tractor starts overheating. It's so dang dusty. This bush hog is kicking up so much dust, it's like I'm riding around in a cloud. Oh, I'm sure it's all in the radiator and air filter, and it's time to blow it all out. I'm gonna have to do that before I can finish because it's overheating. I ain't gonna keep pushing it, so I guess I'm gonna finish tomorrow. Now the good part about it though, I'm gonna go hunting. Well, that dust cloud's still following me around. I just can't escape it today. Now I'm headed back to a spot we call Poison. When we first got this property, I was hanging a stand back there, and I got into some poison ivy pretty good. And I hate poison ivy. Who don't? Here she is. It's Poison. It's a small food plot located in the middle of some 8-year-old planted pines. They're getting tall enough you can see pretty good up underneath them now. There's no acorns anywhere close to here. But we got this feeder and food plot and mineral site. Little oasis in the middle of a desert. This is the spot where Dad shot Powell last year. This is also the spot where I shot the biggest 10-pointer I got on the wall. I don't have a whole lot on camera here right now. Couple 3-year-old, nice young bucks with some potential. Bunch of does, a few smaller bucks, a few hogs from time to time. But let's give it a whirl. It's one of them spots you just never know. So this is my natural debris blind. Me and Randy threw this thing together a couple years ago. And every year we just keep piling a few more sticks on top. Did I mention it's hot? 'Cause it's hot. Now, if I'm being honest, I don't really plan on shooting anything here this evening. We got too much work to do. But if the right one walks out here, a trigger will get pulled. It's so dusty, even my corn is dusty. And about 10 minutes later, some deer show up to eat some dusty corn.
Soul searching, fall apart, tunnel vision, hiding in the dark. Well, I ain't gonna holler before I really bleed. Salvation or quick fix remedy. You said I never could, ever could change. I thought I never could, ever could change. They said I never could, ever could change. Damn right, never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. Yeah, leave the light on. If I'll ever change, been dreaming of Nashville, Tennessee, while the cold here in Sweden got the best of me. Well, haven't I got better things to think about than that? Like deadlines, rent's due, bills pile up, family day in, day out, the clock's mocking me, getting old, oh God, the kids deserve so much more than this, gotta get rich. You said I never could, ever could change. I thought I never could, ever could change. They said I never could, ever could change. Damn right, never would. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Leave the light on. Just leave the light on. If I never change, if I never change, if I never change, if I never change, if I never change.
Now I can remember a time in my hunting life that I was really anxious to shoot that first deer of the season, get that first blood on the ground. I don't know when things changed, but it's different now. I don't know if it's because I've matured as a hunter or because this is my own land now, or because I'm running a hunting club myself. But whatever the reason is, I'm glad it happened. I enjoy my hunting a lot more now. It's no longer a race to a finish line or to an end goal. It's more about the experience to me. Spending time out here in God's country.
So many good ones, so many vultures. Yeah. So much privilege, so much indulgence. So much privilege, so much indulgence. You're everywhere. So many levels, so many cultures.
I enjoy my time with my family,
So many good ones, so
friends,
many vultures.
and we're all
So
building
much
a
privilege,
future.
so much indulgence.
Not just for my
So much
kids.
privilege,
Who
so
knows
much
if my kids will end up
indulgence.
even
You're
hunting or
everywhere.
enjoying
One
the
day at the
outdoors,
Eiffel
but
Tower, next day at the farmer's market.
a future for
My life
future
is different. I
generations.
can't be there, please stop asking.
People I'll
I get
never
lost
know.
with power. I get lost with karma. He gets
But
the
I know
whiskey sour.
this.
Heart is racing with karma. Think of it all
If you
the
take
time.
care of this
This
land,
path I'm on is mine. Changing, molding, more time I feel
one
is
day it'll
divine.
take care of you.
No one can tell me anything. I heal the pain with all these rhymes. I know the order of all my cases. chaos. I know the order of all